Now, the audience of this course varies as we talk to people in tourism, like property owner, private property owners, or commercial owners of a single apartment or a multi-unit apartment hotel, property manager and real estate agency, and also from the marketing area, agencies, blogger, content writers. So the course is more towards property owners like hotels and private accommodations, but also everyone else. So in this course, we are gonna go through some real life examples, how to get more direct bookings, and we'll show you how to do it. So you will learn how to offer a secure website with a good online reputation, have your own blog, and share offers. You will know if your website and booking engine, we will talk about those things later on, is an asset or a liability, is making money for you, or is just, getting money out of your pocket. You are gonna really focus a lot on how to fight back the OTAs, the online travel agency, the multi-billion-dollar advertising campaigns that are stealing your direct bookings. You are also going through how to deal with brand hijacking on Google and other channels. We'll talk about Facebook, email marketing, Instagram. At the end of the course, we are going through the top 4 channels on how to drive more direct bookings and have a bit of assignment as well along the course. Are you ready?
And on that note, Elio, I want to mention one quick thing, guys. As a marketer, right, Airbnb, Booking.com, all of these platforms have been injecting millions and millions of marketing dollars to get people out of direct bookings and into their platforms. That's how they make revenue. It's interesting because as a marketer, especially as a young marketer, sometimes we face campaigns and companies that have tried to dominate the market in the industry. However, it's interesting how in the era that we're living, in the time that we're living, property owners want their revenue back. That's what we're experiencing right now in today's market. And that's why, although Airbnb, other markets and other campaigns try to take their share of the market by getting property owners to go to them, it's funny how hotels have been doing direct bookings for the last decades, ever since the online area existed. That's why property owners and property managers in this day and age need to go back and gravitate towards that market. That's what we're here for. That's what we want to show you. And although they have huge marketing budgets, although they have a huge company headquarters with a lot of stories and a lot of employees, that doesn't mean that property owners can't benefit from going back to direct bookings, because with the proper marketing, you will have more revenue from every booking. You will have more market share in your local area, and you'll be able to sell out your property without having to rely on other platforms to get you those clients. So, Elio, people don't need to be afraid. They don't need to be worried about the revenue from other companies or the huge ad spends. That's not to worry, because small properties can get those direct bookings back, and they could reclaim that market share that they were losing by working with other OTAs. So that's something that as we go through this course, we should keep in mind, that you're going to implement everything you need from beginning to end to get that market share back, which will increase your revenue and make your life less dependent on other companies and other platforms.